जिन दोस्तों ने अहबाब ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर ले और साथ बेल आइकॉन के बटन को दबाएं ताकि आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन बआसानी आप तक पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी अल्लमल इंसान मा लम यअलम व रफ़अ शानल उलमा बिल क़लम। अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Honorable Chief Guest, Honorable President of Jamia Millattul Islamiyya Muhammad Asadullah Farooq Sahib, all of my respective teachers and my dear audience and my dear colleagues, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
I am very glad to giving speech in front of you. Firstly, I heartily welcome you all on the behalf of Jamia Millattul Islamiyya for the prestigious occasion of our organization. Dear audience, I have very short time. I will be conclude about my speech 2 or 3 minutes. Dear audience, do you know Jamia Millattul Islamiyya is the greatest and among the education organization of Pakistan under the supervision of Allama Muhammad Asadullah Farooq Sahib. I would like to explain my views about the role of madaris in Pakistan. There are different types of institutions in our societies. The most of important which is madrasas. The word madrasa is derived from dars or darasa, meaning lecture or learn and teach. Thus, madrasa name a place where learning Islamic education. In Islamic countries, even institutions of higher learning are known as madrasas. Safeguarding Muslim religious identity and dissemination of the knowledge of the Quran and the knowledge of the Hadith of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the prime objection of the madrasas. Defining objection, the powerhouse of Islam. Dear audience, yours all should know. Just as a society needs doctor, as a society needs engineer, pilot, and more driver, shopkeeper, like that. So our society needs best religious scholar. Our society needs best religious preacher. These madaris are the fortresses of the Islam. These madaris are the cradle of the peace. The history of Islamic madrasas is as old as Islam itself. The madrasas play a vital role spreading the light of knowledge and dispelling the darkness of the ignorance. These madrasas are in Pakistan non-governmental organization that provide students with Islamic education along with the free boarding and lodging facilities. In order to educate the segment of society based on poor people, for example, these madrasas, more than 3 million students are being treated for free education along with the free boarding and lodging facilities. From these madrasas, the flag of Islam is being spread around the world including Pakistan today. My dear audience, now I would like to explain my views about the propagandas against Islam and madaris also in that situation, including the answer of objection against Islam. Now we are person who is available here totally reject any relationship of Islam with tourism. Tourism is a basement subject like the dear audience. Now I would like to explain my views about this Jamia. Jamia Millattul Islamiyya is the greatest education organization of Pakistan. My dear audience, there are 4 faculties: faculty of Quran, faculty of Islamic studies, faculty of Arabic language, and faculty of modern sciences. So there are no combination between Islamic education and modern sciences, and there are good environment for students. And Jamia supports them in many activities like sport, entertainment, scouting, and special tours also. In last, I request the government of Pakistan and all person who is available here, please support and appreciate the service of Jamia. Thank you.
दोस्तों ने अहबाब ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले और साथ बेल आइकॉन के बटन को दबाएं ताकि आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन बआसानी आप तक पहुंच सके। शुक्रिया।